Hey, and welcome back to the channel, where first-time moms find calm, clarity, and confidence in the fourth trimester. Going to bring you that most pregnancy classes skip postpartum recovery, but not the Pinterest version, the real version. Because here's the truth: birth is just the beginning. The recovery after, that's the part that no one really prepares you for. So let's walk through the 5 hard truths about postpartum recovery. Not to scare you, but to save your sanity. Stick around till the end and I'll tell you how to grab a free guide that walks you through the very first week, step by step. Truth number 1. You will feel like a stranger in your own body. Everything from your belly to your bathroom habits to your brain feels different. And not in a cute, bouncing back kind of way. There may be bleeding, some soreness, some swelling, and a new relationship with your peri bottle. Whether you had a vaginal delivery or a C-section, your body is healing from trauma. But here's a reminder: you are not broken. You are healing. And listen to peace, healing is not linear. True. Number 2, sleep deprivation will hit harder than you think. You've heard it before. Sleep when the baby sleeps. But the newborn don't sleep in predictable blocks. And when they do, your brain might still be racing. So it's really hard for you to get into that nap zone. The exhaustion can feel like jet lag meets final exams meet emotional roller coaster. That's something, ain't it? So rest doesn't always mean sleep, right? It might mean sitting in silence, closing your eyes for 10 minutes, or letting someone else hold the baby while you eat. Tiny resets matter, and you don't have to earn rest. Truth number 3, breastfeeding might be natural, but it's not always easy. There's a learning curve, and it's steep. From latch issues to low supply to feeling like a human pacifier, feeding becomes a full-time job in those first few days. And guess what? Struggling doesn't mean you're failing. Get help early. Lactation support, feeding plans, or even just someone to tell you it's okay to cry while nursing. It all makes a difference. Truth number 4, emotions will come out of nowhere. You might cry because your partner asked what you want for lunch, or because the baby is just freaking adorable. Your heart is just bursting, or because no reason at all. This is a hormone crash. It usually peaks around day 3 to day 5. Baby blues are common, but if sadness, anxiety, or rage feel overwhelming or don't fade after 2 weeks, could be postpartum depression or anxiety. And it's okay to ask for help. There is support and there is zero shame in needing it. Truth 5. Recovery takes longer than anyone admits. Despite what you see online, most moms don't feel back to normal after 6 weeks. You won't necessarily feel energized. Your clothes might not fit, and mentally, you may still feel foggy. That's not failure, that's normal. Recovery isn't a countdown, it's a transition. And you deserve to go through it with real support. These 5 truths are not meant to scare you, they're meant to prepare you. Because when you know what to expect, you're more likely to give yourself grace. And if you want step-by-step support for the very first week, download the ultimate week 1 postpartum recovery guide. The link is below. It's free, it's practical, and it's exactly what should have been handed to every mom before leaving the hospital. For deeper support through your first 12-week postpartum, check out the Positive Postpartum Experience. This is my signature program designed for career-driven moms who want structure, relief, and emotional support. If this video helped clear the air, tap that like button. It helps more moms find this kind of honest support. And don't forget to subscribe, because real talk like this, it's what we do here. See you in the next one.